Hello, this is the second half of your very first lesson. Um, Today we're going to learn how to pick individual strings and learn how to read tablature and also train our fingers to be able to play individual strings. It's like learning typing. So when you look at the sheet of that first page, you'll see on the second half, 3 exercises: James Bond, Peter Gunn, and Smoke on the Water. So the way you read this is the lines that you see. There are 6 lines. They represent the strings, and the numbers represent the fret. The numbers never represent the fingers. That's for me to help you decide the most efficient way to use them. When you look at it, you'll notice something odd. It's upside down. You'll notice the top string is on the bottom line, E string, and the bottom string is on the top line, E string. Basically, the best thing to do is remember what your strings are called when you pluck them open. The E, A, D, G, B, E. Now, when we talk about fingers, again, we will talk about, I'll say, index, middle, ring finger, pinky, or first, second, third, fourth. Let's try the first exercise, James Bond. Now, the first number you'll see is a 2 on the A string on that line. That means second fret, A string. So you pluck that one open, or pluck that one with your finger on there, on the second fret, and then the next number you see is a 0. It means just pluck that top E string open. The next number is a 3, so you put your middle finger on the third fret of the A string, pluck that, and then you'll see a 0. It means hit the top E string open, and then you will go to the 4th fret with our third finger, pluck that, hit the top string open, and then we'll go back with our middle finger to the 3rd fret A string, pluck it, and then top string open. And then you repeat. Those double lines with the double dots mean repeat. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret. Just slow and deliberate. And what you want to do is let each note sing against the other. While I'm placing my fingers, I'm still letting that open string sing. Okay? Alright, now on to the next exercise, Peter Gunn. If you notice the sheet of paper, on that exercise, it's a series of numbers on the bottom line, but remember, it's the top string because it's upside down. Open twice, 2nd fret once with your index finger, open, middle finger signed to the 3rd fret, open, pinky on the 5th fret, and ring finger to the 4th fret. Notice we're assigning a finger to a fret. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret. Index, middle, ring, pinky. Now you're going to hesitate. That pinky and ring finger do not want to commit. Just slow and deliberate and even. Alright, the third and last exercise on this page requires no pick. It's kind of introductory to, small introductory to finger picking. Also, you'll see a column of numbers. That usually means you're going to pluck or strum them at the same time. They're kind of like miniature chords. The first, on Smoke on the Water, the first series of numbers, you'll see a column of zeros. That means you need 2 zeros, and it's on the D and G string. So you're going to squeeze with your thumb and index those 2 strings. Just pluck them or squeeze them. And then you take your 2 strongest fingers, and the next column you'll see is a 3rd fret. So you squeeze, put them both in the 3rd fret. Then a column of 5th fret on the middle 2 strings, the D and G. Then you'll notice an open again. Then 3rd fret. Then 6th fret column, middle 2 strings. Then 5th fret. Then open. 3rd fret. 5th fret. Then 3rd. Then open. And just repeat. Alright, and I want to stress that all your exercises, at least do it 4 times in a row before you take a little bit of break. Take your time, be slow and deliberate, and have fun. Alright, good luck.